We've got some modern vehicles in this morning getting the beauty catch can on there, of course. Here's a Provent 200 going onto a Ford Ranger Raptor with the lovely little 2-litre motor. And we've got a Toyota Prado over here, 150 series with the 3-litre D4D. System's already bolted up there over the back. I guess the main thing we're looking at when we talk about catch cans is really to do with modern common rail diesels. You've got EGR systems and a complex set of butterflies and shutter valves and everything inside that inlet system. And of course that can be prone to getting gunked up, particularly with the EGR carbons mixing with the oil. Well, you can't get rid of the EGR carbons because they're there for a legal reason, as well as there are some other good things there, but of course the usual complaints about it ends up giving it a bad name. It really comes down to the oil fumes, and of course the oil fumes, you can get rid of them when you've got a catch can. I'll just pull the lid off here, take a bit of a look. Inside you've got a proper actual oil separating mechanism or filter made in Germany, not China. Just be wary, there's so many Chinese copies nowadays. Soon they'll be producing, I guess, clones that look less like us as well, because they're doing the same when it comes to cars, identical looking cars. You saw our post recently about the Prado series and a Chinese copy of that, identical virtually. So same with the catch cans, make sure you get the German made one that works. Important, they've got pressure relief valves and all sorts of other goodies in them that actually work and look after your engine. But the main reason for the catch can, get rid of the oily residue that you're allowed to get rid of. Keeps the inlet nice and dry, like this engine's nice and dry and there's nothing sticking to it. Same with the inlet. Keep the inlet nice and dry, nothing will stick to it. We're finally getting some rain out here at the moment, and of course if that disappeared and we had a dust storm, everything would turn to mud because of the water would allow it to stick. So that's the whole idea of the catch can. Get rid of the oil fumes, no gunk or carbons can stick, problem solved. You can see more of these videos if you keep watching our Facebook. Look us up at Instagram, YouTube or Snapchat, or go to berrimadiesel.com where you can find out about looking after your diesel. And of course you can look up catch cans on there. We have a range of systems to suit your modern diesel.